I'm here to talk to you about dry shampoos and the proper application. So first I'm going to talk about Spiritualize, which is a dry shampoo mist. So this one, you want to section the hair 1 to 2 inches. You're going to apply it 6 to 8 inches away from the root. Let sit for 30 to 45 seconds, and then you're going to massage it in after that. If you are working out, you want to blow dry it in after you apply it. So I'm going to talk to you guys about Death Valley. It's our spray dry shampoo. So this is going to actually go on the first day. It's going to give you a little extra added texture. It's going to absorb any oils before they happen, and then you continue to use it on the second and third day as well. Let me talk to you a little bit about Skyline. It's our most absorbent hair powder that we offer. It is an actual powder and it's a pump form. So when you want a little bit less, do a half a pump and it will go a long way. This would be used on your second day. I want to introduce to you our Badlands 1 part dry shampoo, 1 part styling paste. So this is going to add a lot of texture and a lot of volume to the hair while absorbing the oils at the same time. Take a little bit of it, rub it into your hands, and you're going to apply it right to the hair, not on the scalp, but right at the root.
Thank you.